Hey you guys, so today let's go to Ulta to see what's new at Ulta. What new makeup can we find? So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is such a chilly morning. That is why I am bundled up. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, because I want to go to Ulta and I want to see what's new. And I just rhymed. I'm such a loser. Literally, it is one of definitely the coldest days that I've experienced in New York. Like, you see barely anybody walking on the sidewalks, barely any cars driving. Oh my gosh, because everyone's inside and warm and I'm not. Alright you guys, that took a little too long, but we are finally here at Ulta. It's right over there. Face check. Does it look okay? Is there any lipstick on my face? Alright, let's go inside. Alright you guys, we're here. We are inside. Alright, what section shall we start with first? Alright, let's first start with NARS. Anything new? You guys know I did try this, and if you want to hear my thoughts, I will link that video in the corner. Oh yeah. I think this is part of their holiday collection, the Heartbreaker blush palette. Look at that. So pretty. Then they also have the Narcissistic Wanted Velvet Lip Glide set. And all of these beautiful 6 nude mini velvet lip slides or lip glides are in there. Here's a close-up. I've never seen this before, but this is the Little Fetishes Mona Rita. What is this? Oh, it comes with 2 audacious lipsticks. Oh, these 2. That's so cool. And look at these really pretty packaging of the full vinyl lip lacquer. It's a really pretty red. That's, wow, that is very vampy. Of course, we have Becca's collab with Chrissy Teigen. Oh, that's a gold lava. We already seen that plenty of times. There's also this really cute Becca lip and highlight duo set called Lilac Love. And it comes with a gloss and then the Lilac Geo Shimmering Skin Perfector highlighter. Ooh, this is clearly new. Now we're at Cover FX. Looks like they have this white gold, rose gold, glow all out palette. Super pretty. And they have this Glam and Glow Shimmer Veil Trio set. Oh my gosh. This packaging kind of reminds me of Anastasia Beverly Hills, though. Do you guys not see that? I see that. But super cute nonetheless. And these are the 3 shades inside: Celestial, Soleil, and Moonstone. Oh, looks like they also added some new shades to their Shimmer Veil collection. Very Christmassy, holiday-y. Alright, now we're in Anastasia Beverly Hills section. Now the newest thing that I can remember is their little gift sets they have right over here. This is their lip gloss set. We've seen that before, but just in case you're curious. And then here's the metallic liquid lipstick set. Such pretty packaging. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure these loose glitters are also new. How different of Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now we're in the Too Faced section. Let's see, anything new? Well, we all know about their Gingerbread Spice eyeshadow palette and all of their holiday collection sets. So cute. Ooh, looks like they came out with a deeper shade for translucent setting powder. Okay, Too Faced, I see you. Alright, now we're at Clinique. Let's see anything new. And now we're at Tarte. They still have these cute little holiday gift sets featuring the Shape Tape. I love this, so cute. Here are some of Tarte's holiday gift sets. We've went over them pretty much in my last video, but just in case you're curious. Oh wait, I think this is new. This is the Pineapple Throne Sponge and Sponge Holder. That is really cute. Oh my god, how clever, Tarte. And then this one is a Flawless Foursome Lip Sculptor. Look at the caps. Oh my god. Anything on this side? Oh wow, look at their lashes. I think they might have updated their packaging. You guys let me know in the comment section down below if you tried any of their lashes. If so, which ones should I try? Ooh, I can't remember if we went over this. This is from Kylie Cosmetics. It's the Superhero Lash and Liner Superpowers set. Comes with their Superhero Mascara, their Superhero Liner, and then the Anti-Aging Gel Eyeliner. Ooh, super cute. And it comes in this amazing sparkly bag. So many stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys, I asked about it last time I was here. Here's Patrick Starr's collection, his holiday collection. Ride your sleigh like a star this holiday season with these fierce festive colors. Wow, Elf. So this is an holiday set from Elf. Look at that. It includes their newest palette. Here's a close-up of the palette. And 2 lip glosses, or a liquid lipstick and a lip gloss. And then you get a face palette. Wow. And it's currently 50% off, originally $32. So now it's going for only $16. Oh my gosh, and here's the Morphe and James Charles stand. Ah! Obviously they're sold out of his palette, but oh my gosh. Here's a glimpse of the Kylie section. Oh my gosh. Shook. Hilarious. Ah. And here's Desi's collab with Benefit. Bomb ass brows. She looks stunning, you guys. Oh my god, Desi. Alright guys, I just left out the store. There's Ulta right there. The Ulta side. Just left out, and wow, they have so many amazing things, new things, holiday things, everything, y'all. Yeah, that was a lot. I apologize if I didn't show you every single section like I usually do in my other videos. I just didn't want to get called out or kicked out, you know what I mean? So, hope you guys enjoyed the video and what I showed you nonetheless. Hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless. There's a guy over there sinking. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've literally tried to film this outro so many times. Let's do it one more time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you guys want to see more of this face, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. It's red. Join the family, become a bestie, and turn the notification bell on to get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, you guys. I love you guys so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!